I have been working with a good friend, or actually working for a good friend, who unfortunately had a stroke in January. We were out for lunch, and one minute she was talking, and the next minute was clearly having a stroke. She has a long recovery ahead of her. Been helping her and her family through the process. As part of that, I have been doing spiritual mind treatment. God is perfect health. What is true for me is true for my friend Shirley. I see Shirley as perfect, whole, and complete. She's comfortable. She's happy. Her memories are coming back. I know that this journey for Shirley will end in the way that is perfect for her. In gratitude for this knowing, I release this treatment to the action of the law, knowing it is done, and so it is.